something that a lot of nutritionists do on a Sunday to get ahead so they eat better during the week with very little effort. My name's Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist, and this is my Sunday prep day. And when the oven's on anyway, you may as well throw some extra things in there. So today I have gone mad this week buying beetroot and carrot. I don't quite know why I bought so much, but that is what I'm cooking this week. So we've got beetroot, red onions and carrots, full of plant compounds. We've got the anthocyanins in the beetroot and onions, and we've got the beta carotenes in the carrots. When you roast these in the oven in olive oil, I'm going to throw a little bit of thyme in there too, for about 40 minutes, they start to caramelize and they become really soft and sweet, and they are so versatile in the week. So what can you use them for? Well, you could have them as a side dish and warm them through with chicken or fish. You could make a packed lunch with them by running some rocket through there, maybe some brown lentils, throwing some feta and some walnuts and a dressing in there and taking it to work as a salad. You could also turn it into a soup by just adding some vegetable stock and some herbs and whizzing it up. So there's lots of different ways to use them once you've got them in the fridge. And if you've got them in there, you're so much more likely to use them. I cover mine in olive oil and, like I said today, a little bit of thyme. I don't use my best olive oil when I'm doing this, but olive oil actually enhances some of those plant compounds and makes them even more powerful. So this is my Sunday prep day.